How to sign into KakaoTalk on a new phone. Hi everybody, welcome back. To sign into KakaoTalk on a new phone, you could follow these steps. First of all, you want to go ahead and open up your Play Store on a new phone and you just want to install KakaoTalk onto your device. After which, before switching, you must back up your chats manually as they do not automatically sync across devices as well. So on your old device, you want to make sure to verify your account and back up all your chats as well. So in order to back up your chats, just have to go to the more and then select settings, and you could find chats in the section. And under chat, you want to select chat backup and go ahead and select a dedicated Google account as well. Once you've done that, now onto your new device, you just want to install and then select the open button. After which, you have to enter the same phone number, the one that is onto your old device, or the email address and the password associated with your account. And once done, select the login button, and at the very first page you will be able to find a restore or something like that option, and you just want to make sure to go ahead and select that out. It's just going to take a while. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet, and that is how you will be able to sign into KakaoTalk on a new phone. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.